Good morning. We're going to work on ways to make 8 this morning. So go ahead and put your name on your packet. Go ahead and pause it so that you can do that. When you're ready, press play. It says there are 5 people swimming. 3 more people join them. Go ahead and get your counters out and get out 5 red counters and 3 yellow counters and count them together. So if I have 5 red and I have 3 yellow, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 people swimming all together. 8. Go ahead and open up your packet to see and show. All right, you're going to work on ways to make 8 like we did yesterday. You're going to set your counters out, okay? Set 8 of them out, all one color. So set 8 of them in a row, all one color, red side up, okay? So your first one I'll do with you, and then the rest you're going to do on your own, okay? So you have 8 red counters. How many yellow counters do you have? 0. So 8 plus 0 equals 8. Go ahead and flip one of those counters over to yellow. So how many red counters do you have now? You should have 7 plus 1 yellow equals 8. So I actually did another one with you, okay? So now I want you to go through for 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6. And I want you to go through and I want you to keep flipping those over, okay? So that you're making different ways to make 8, all right? So go ahead and do that for all of those. And then down here you're adding, so you're adding 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 8 plus 0 equals 8. 6 plus 2 equals, guess what? 8. And 7 plus 1 equals 8. So you should have this whole page filled out, even though I don't, okay? So you're working on different ways to make 8, using those red counters and flipping them over each time to use different ways to make 8. All right, so you're going to use your counters for this. I'm not going to do it, okay? So pay attention to it. So this one I would use 6 red counters and I would use 2 yellow counters and I would count them together. So if I had 6 red and I had 2 yellow, that would equal 8, okay? So you're going to go through. Not all of them are going to equal 8, so that's why you need to use your counters. You're going to go through and you're going to fill up this whole page, okay? All right, and then on the back, we'll do this really quickly together, okay? On the back it says, Bryce saw 5 foxes. His friend saw 3 foxes. So 5 plus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 foxes altogether. And then there are 4 chipmunks on a tree, and there are 4 more chipmunks that join them. How many chipmunks are on the tree now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to do 4 plus 4 equals 8. You're going to draw an X through here, okay? And you're going to bring it up for me to check. Reminder, this whole page should be filled up using your counters and answering them. This whole page should be filled up using your counters to answer them. When you bring it up to me, then I will tell you that you can work on your math homework so that you don't have to do it at home. Okay, that's it.